In this video, I'm going to show you how you can link YouTube to Discord on mobile. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So this is a super simple thing to do, guys. The first thing I want to go ahead and do is come over to your Discord app. And then once you've come over to Discord, what you need to go ahead and do from here is click on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. And then go ahead and click on Connections. And then what you need to go ahead and do now is click on Add in the top right corner. And then you can go ahead and you can scroll through and find which one you want to go ahead and add to your account. So I'm going to go ahead and click on YouTube for this tutorial. And then you'll need to go ahead and select a browser, whether that's Google, Chrome, Safari. It doesn't really make a difference. So I'm going to go ahead and select Google Chrome. And then if you are already logged into your Google account, chances are that it will let you go ahead and choose an account straight away. But if not, you will need to go ahead and log in. So it's a super simple process. Go ahead, log in, and you'll be presented with this screen here, guys. So all you need to go ahead and do is select the account you want to go ahead and add to your account. And then as you can see, you can go ahead and select it again. And then go ahead and click on allow. And connected your YouTube account to Discord. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please don't leave a like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.